Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 5th, 2022. The graph. Is it still a buy? I mean, look at my chart. I was telling you all on the 16th of February that I was looking for this currency to go up, and look what happened. This is a completely dead cryptocurrency. The market did not even give us any life following my video. Yeah, I'm going to show you all the predictions that I get right, as well as the ones that I get wrong. And man, this one did not go right. Yeah, I'm going to talk about this. And then we're going to try to answer the question, yeah, is graph still a buy, or can we anticipate this currency to continue to drop in price? Welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price predictions. Yeah, you guys can see I actually plot them on the chart, while everyone else just simply giving you their opinions. They simply want you to hold for the long term, because every one of these cryptocurrencies that's available right now on these exchanges, they're going to make everybody filthy rich. That's not going to be the case. I'm here to break the ice and let you all know that that's not going to be the case. It looked like the graph is not going to be the case. Like, the market does not like the graph right now. We got to keep it a buck. We got to keep it 100. The market is not buying graph. The price is going down. And basically, following my last price prediction, that is still the case. So now, before I go a little bit further into what I think the market is going to do next in the graph, keep it locked in here. Yeah, share the video, subscribe, tap that bell notification, because you don't want to miss it. We're going to keep it real. We're going to be realistic. We're going to be unbiased as to where we think price is going to go. Now, from out the gate, price in the graph went down. So let's use this as a learning opportunity, all right? Because we can always get better. We can always fine tune our skills when we come in and look at price charts. So let's learn from this environment right here. Okay, I did a video in the graph right here on February the 16th. All right, so let me zoom in. Now, from out the gate, we were following under the mentality that the graph was going to go up, right? We was looking for the price to go up in the graph. So the next day, the moment that you saw this, you should have perked up and said, okay, something is not right. Right there. The next day, the 17th, that's a very wide spread. And not only that, the market closed on the lows. Okay, you might say, okay, that just might be a flick, right? That just might be a circumstance. The next day, we might see the price go back up. Okay, cool. The market is still telling you that the price is weak in the graph. Now, you should already on the next day, the 18th of February, be questioning, I might not got this one right. I might need to cut this play and minimize my losses, because if I don't, my losses will increase. There's nothing wrong with admitting that you didn't get it right. There's nothing wrong with that. What is wrong is people continue to hold a position when you know you're losing the game. Now, this is the day that we will have to cut it quits. Right here, the 21st. First thing, the market in the graph broke our support area to the downside. Secondly, throughout that trading day, the market did go up in price. We give the market credit, but they failed. It closed on the low. Yeah, we would have to cut the play right there. Now, that was 21%, almost 21.5%, but it's better than us being down 28, almost 29%, right? So now, this is how you're able to learn from your forecast. Yeah, we didn't get this one right. So now let's get back in position. Let's try to answer the question, is the graph a buy? All right, let's go ahead and cut that. Now, already, we need to talk about some things. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna keep it 100. If you don't want to hear it, I'm sorry. The chart is what it is. I'm just simply showing you what the market feels, what the people think about the graph. So you guys can see that horizontal line, right? Yeah, it is still playing a vital role in the graph. Okay. Now, back here in the beginning of the year, January, the market was holding this area as support. This is where the buyers were at. Yeah, around 38, 39 cents. We'll give them credit because they were able to support the price in the graph. Price did not fall above it. And then we saw price go up. We came back down right here on the 14th of February. The buyers still held price. Great. Fantastic. Right? Price went up. Cool. Now, the 21st, is where the drama started for the buyers. This is telling us that the buyers have now left the building. They're not here. And you know how we got the proof? It's because after this particular trading day right here, the next day, the market came right back up to that line. And then on the 23rd, we failed. Market right here on the 28th came right back up to this horizontal line. 2 days straight, price fell. The buyers are not here anymore. So now what we're going to do, basically off the information off the chart, is that this is restriction now. This is where the sellers are controlling the area. This is where they're controlling this price. They're not letting the buyers take advantage and move price above 38 cents. We got that. We appreciate the market giving us information. So we're going to continue to be weak into the market in the graph until we see price break 38 cents to the upside. Okay. Now, we haven't seen price in the graph trade down here since 2020. So it's been about 2 years that this currency has been trading around 30 cents. 2 years. So what do you think now? Do you think that this currency is going to continue to go lower? Because if so, we got to get prepared. And I'm already eyeing the support area of around 25 cents. Okay. That's going to be the first area that we need to see the buyers appear, because we now know that the buyers are not around 38 cents. They used to be, and now they're not there. So where did they go? Yeah, they're around, I would say around 25 cents. I would think the buyers are now going to show up around 25 cents. If not 25 cents, what, 20? What do you think? Do you think 20 cents is going to be the location? Let's see. Matter of fact, I do like that 30 cent area. Yeah, the next area is going to be 20 cents. Okay. So now let's go ahead and run the play, because I'm not here to give you any hype, any FUD, any FOMO. We got to keep it real. This is the 3-day time frame here in the graph. This is why I'm still being weak into the market. For the graph, we got the rejection around that 38 cent price. We appreciate the market giving us information, because it lets us know that if we're trying to buy this currency, it's telling us we need to wait, because the market is still weak and we're still anticipating lower prices. Right there. That's a 3-day time frame. Let's look at this market on 3 weeks. Okay. This is the graph on 3 weekly time frame. We got a day and 7 hours left, and we're still seeing weakness. Okay. The last couple of 3 weekly price bars, we have not seen any strength. This is the only 3 weekly price bar that we saw the market anticipated to go up, but look at the results, right? We're still going down. So this is not a buyer's market. So we're going to continue to play the weakness in the graph. All right. So now let me run this back right here, and we're going to continue to play the weakness until we see the price break above 38 cents. And it has to be on strength. If we see the market give us this same type of price action, we know that that's not real. We know that it's fake. We know that the market is tricking us. It's trying to fake us out into thinking that the price is strong and that price is going to go up, but it's not. It's getting rejected. So let's go ahead and play this. We said that I'm going to give you 3 price targets. The first one's going to be 30 cents. Okay. That's around 12.75% market movement to the downside in the graph. Second area is going to be 25. Now look at that. That's a 27.5% market movement to the downside in the graph. 27.5. I'm not even going to put 20 cents down yet, because 27.5% is going to be scary. A lot of people are not going to expect that to happen in the graph, right? So now let's run the play. This is it. As always, I get the comment section open. I keep it open so that you all can tell us, what do you suspect the market in the graph to do going forward? All right, so hit me up, let me know, drop the comment, and tell me where do you all suspect the market is headed. Yeah, I'm geared for this market in the graph to continue to go lower. All right, I've shown you all basically off of the charts that this market is still harnessing some weakness. We got 30 cents first, 25 cents second. All right, that's it. Now hit me up and let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.